Testing, testing, testing the sound. Testing the sound. That wasn't bad either. Did I write a song? I'm just kidding. I'm gonna try my signature lip, but with different colors. I do this not as often as I do it when I just do like the black lip liner, but I have done this and I really like how it looks. I'm thinking I will really like this as well. These are both from Unearthly. I'm gonna start with Vamp and Carnage. Let's start with Vamp, I think, because it's just a really gorgeous dark purple. And I'm just gonna do my usual like liner situation. Is that a booger? Don't worry about it. Doing this like so. And here. Wow, it's a little messy, but I'm gonna see maybe if I layer this on top. Ooh, that's kind of cool. I'm gonna bring it in. You can literally do this with any colors. You can also reverse the order too. But like there, I think I want a little bit more Vamp because it's darker. Not the cleanest lip liner I've ever done. Cute. I'm gonna add a lipstick in the center. I think is literally perfect. Like so. Them together. Ooh. Blend them a little bit more on the sides. That is very important. Oh my god, it's literally perfect. Now again, this is not the first time that I've done something like this with like the color combination, but this is so stunning. I think this is so nice. I love this. Yeah, this combination, oh, fire. If I do say so myself. I think you could even take like any color lip liner and just add like a gray or something like that in the middle as well. I just think there's so many options with this layout and I'm obsessed with it. And I love it so much. And again, these are the two liners. Love. If there's another combination you want to see, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more makeup content and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!